Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Have you ever looked at your monthly bank statement and felt a knot in your stomach? It could be that $20 charge for ChatGPT every single month, or the $250 per month for Gemini 3.5 Ultra. It could be the extra fees for image generators, video makers, or coding assistants. Or maybe it's just the frustration of realizing that while everyone is using AI, nobody is actually profiting from it. You know what I'm talking about. We've all been there. Until now, if you wanted the best AI on the planet, you were stuck with two terrible options. Option 1. Pay hundreds of dollars a month to massive corporations for subscriptions that bleed you dry. Or Option 2. Stick to the free versions that are slow, outdated, and hallucinate more than they help. Well, Option 1 is a waste of your hard-earned cash, and life's too short to settle for the dumbed-down results of Option 2. Lucky for you, starting today, the game has changed. There is a better, faster, and radically cheaper option. It's called GeminAI 3.5, and it's not just another chatbot. While everyone seems to be using ChatGPT, you can go a step further and get ahead of your competition with the latest AI-powered tool just released by the tech giant Google. Yes, I'm talking about Gemini 3.5. It trashes ChatGPT in any real-world testing. It's by far the best premium chatbot right now. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the Google AI Ultra plan that's usually $250 per month and includes Gemini 3.5 Ultra for the world's best 24/7 virtual assistant, Nano Banana PRO for image editing and generation, GeminAI Anti-Gravity for software creation. It writes the code, runs terminal commands, installs packages, launches servers, and tests in a real browser. Currently writes 70% of Google's new code. Notebook LM for advanced book, essays, article writing. GeminAI Omni Video Maker for text to video and image to video. Generate clips from a prompt or animate a photo, then just tell it what to change. Taking YouTube Shorts and TikTok by storm. Lyria for creating human-sounding music with lyrics and instruments. Flow for cinematic video intros and outros. Whisk for turning a prompt into a video. Native computer use. Gemini 3.5 works right on your computer, executing desktop actions for you. GeminAI agent that replies to your Gmail and runs your Google Calendar. GeminAI Spark, your 24/7 personal assistant. GeminAI web design for entire websites, sales funnels, and web graphics. GeminAI frontier models. Every new Google model added automatically, the last AI you'll ever buy. And it's all 170% faster than Gemini 3, ChatGPT 5.6, and Claude Opus 4.8. The tech inside? Absolutely mind-blowing. We are talking about the same $250 per month technology that powers Google's most advanced systems. It hooks straight into Launchpad, ClickBank, Warrior, JVZoo, plus 17 more affiliate platforms. Even comes with YouTube Premium, no ads, and over 30 terabytes of storage. It's normally $250 per month if you buy it straight from Google, but today you can have it for a low one time. It uses Gemini 3.5 Ultra for 24/7 assistance. Nano Banana Pro for the world's best image editing and generating. GeminAI Anti-Gravity to write 100% of software code automatically. GeminAI Omni to generate cinematic videos that are taking TikTok by storm. This is real power. No restrictions and no monthly fees. And the best part? A commercial license is included so you can sell everything you create. It all works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log in to the cloud-based software dashboard. Step 2. Insert your text prompt and feed it to our all-in-one AI generator. Whether you need code, music, video, or a best-selling book, just ask. Step 3. Watch it turn your prompt into reality in seconds. You can go crazy with as many prompts as you want. There are 0 limits. Use Nano Banana Pro for image editing and generation, and sell them on stock sites. Use Notebook LM for advanced book, essays, and article writing in minutes. Use Whisk for turning a prompt into a video. Use GeminAI web design to build entire affiliate websites, sales funnels, and web graphics on autopilot. Let native computer use complete tasks right on your desktop, hands-free. Deploy a GeminAI agent to handle your Gmail and Google Calendar automatically. You write directly to this AI made by Google. You simply tell it what you want, and it does it. No coding skills, no video editing or graphics experience, no outsourcing required. It takes seconds, it loads from your phone, and it feels like you're living in the future. What if you could cash in on the trillion-dollar AI frenzy without risking a single dime on subscription fees? With GeminAI 3.5, now you can. It allows you to literally create value out of thin air, or more exactly, a short text prompt. It's so good that thousands of newbies just like you have already earned their first commissions. But here is the best part. You can now stop paying between $20 per month and $250 per month for a paid AI. Stop paying designers or coders for work they never get right. Stop using Photoshop, Premiere Pro, or confusing dev tools. GeminAI 3.5 renders them obsolete. You could become the next big app developer. Today you build a plugin, tomorrow a mobile game, starting from just one idea and zero technical skills. Dominate the search rankings with SEO content. Promote your business with videos made by GeminAI Omni. The possibilities are truly limitless. Whether it's for yourself or your business, just type what you want, and GeminAI 3.5 creates the perfect asset, no matter how complex your prompt is. Look, if this tech is putting coders and writers out of jobs, then it's worth a try. You will be amazed. You won't believe how good of a deal you're getting with this. If you went straight to Google, this AI Ultra plan costs $250 a month. That's $3,000 a year. But today, you aren't paying that because it's available at a massive discount for opening day only. You pay once and you use it forever, but you must hurry. This page is closing down soon. Act now and secure your spot for GeminAI 3.5 and stop paying monthly fees. Start dominating with Google's best AI. So click the button below right now.